How to find off Facebook activity on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find off Facebook activity on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down until you find settings, and here just go down again until you find apps and websites, and not apps and websites. Here you'll find it off Facebook activity, and as you see here you can manage off your off Facebook activity, and you can clear history and more options. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.